Welcome back to Side Hustles from Canada. If you are looking to create and sell digital products on a platform like Canva, today's video is a must watch. In my previous video, I show you how to create and sell digital templates on a platform called Postermywall. This is my second video about this platform. I created a Christmas list flyer template, and within a week I made a sale and 4 people they used my template. Whenever you made a sale or someone uses your template, you will earn some commission. That commission is based on their calculation. I will share each and every detail about this platform in today's video. So here I'm on this platform Postermywall. You can simply write it on Google and it will direct you on this page. First you have to sign up. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account. You have to mention your address, your phone number, and make sure you have PayPal. If you are watching this video from a country where they don't offer PayPal, you can't get payment through this platform. After creating the account, you have to connect your social media accounts on this platform. You can connect your Pinterest account, Facebook account, Twitter account, or any other account. I will connect my Pinterest account. So this is the part from my previous video. I'm sharing it for those people who didn't watch my previous video about Postermywall. So now I will show you in just few seconds how I created the template in my previous video that made a sale. Here you can see you can use Canva or Kittle and you can download images from those platforms and you can create a template on Postermywall. In this video, I will share how to create templates using your phone. So here I will show you. This is all from my previous video. I will share the link of this video in the description of this video so you can watch the video. And in that video, I have shown all the details about this platform. So now I will share my phone screen with you and I will show you how to create templates. There are a few things that you should keep in mind before creating a template. So now I'm sharing my phone screen. First we will go to Google and here we will write Postermywall. Make sure you have an account on Postermywall. When we will click it, here's the page. I've shared the screenshot of this page in the beginning of my video, and here you can see all the templates that I have created so far, and I will show you one by one. Here you can see I've created this template and someone used it, and this is my second template, and you can see zero customization. That means no one used it. So this is my template and you can see 4 customization, 1 purchase. And here you can see the tags that I've used. You have to use at least 5 tags along with the title. And now I'm sharing another template that I have created. It's an animated template. And here you can see 1 customization, 0 purchase, date of publication and time as well. And this is another template. I have created this template on 15 December and someone used it. You can see the time of publication as well, 9:33 p.m. and these are my latest one, but they haven't made any purchase yet. So first of all, I will show you some other options on the phone. So here you can see when you are on this page and when you will click on my stuff, this page is called my stuff, where you can see all your work and the sales and uses of all the templates that you have created. When you will click on your profile picture, you will see all the options. From here I want to see my profile that my users will see. So here you can see that I have created 13 templates so far, and here's all my work. This is called my portfolio on Postermywall. And when we click on this button share, we can copy this link, and I will show you there are two methods of sharing your post. Either you can share your post directly through Postermywall, or you can share it by copy the link of your portfolio on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform. Here you have an option to hire me as well. It's up to you that if you want people to hire you for making any kind of art or templates, you can click on this link and you can upload your portfolio as a graphic designer, so that they will approach you and you can negotiate with them for any kind of project or assignment. So next I'm clicking on this plus template. When you click on this plus template, you have the option to create a design from scratch. So first of all we will go to my stuff, and from here we will go to dashboard. You can see the 3 dots on your left side. By clicking on those dots we will go to dashboard, and here you can see the option of all the topics. Over here you can see a summary of all your work as well. And as I told you that Postermywall will always keep you updated what their customers and users are looking for. So they're looking for Chinese New Year cards, New Year countdowns, bridesmaid, winter menu, Christmas, ugly sweater party, and so on, homeless shelter, Boxing Day. So these are all the topics on which you can create templates, greeting cards. It's an occasion, you can create a greeting card and so on. So in this video I'm creating another Chinese New Year card, so I will click it, and here you can see the work of all the other creators. You can take some idea what other creators are creating. So you can see some of the work from the previous year and some of the latest stuff as well. So now we are creating a new template. For that we will go to this plus sign. We will click on this plus sign, and here we will click on the blank design. I am choosing Instagram post, so I'm clicking on this one. You can create a greeting card also using this template. So you can see this is a complete square one. Okay, now I'm going to Canva, and in Canva we will write Chinese New Year cards. I was already working on it. So in the search section we will write Chinese New Year cards, and it will open all the templates. And here I will show you how to download these images. You can't simply download a whole template and upload it on Postermywall. Here we have seen there are so many options. Okay, there is one thing that I want to tell you. If you are creating a template, you can only write Happy Chinese New Year. But if you're creating a greeting card, it cannot be like this one, like only Happy Chinese New Year. The Postermywall, they will reject your template. I've done so many experiments, and I have deleted those templates from my portfolio and from my profile, from my stuff area. I want to show some of the examples, things that you should avoid when you are creating a template. If it's a greeting card, make sure it has some text on it. Otherwise, Postermywall, they will give you an error that your template has not enough elements. So here you can see it can be a good one, good greeting card, because you can see you have text over here. You have text over here, and you have text over here as well. So first of all, we will create duplicate copies of this template. We will click on these three dots, and from here you can see the duplicate option. I'm clicking on it. You can see the duplicate. You can also see these three dots in the blue bar over here, and from here we will go on this option, view all pages. Now we will click on any of the page, and from here I'm clicking duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Make sure to make at least 3 to 8 copies. And now I will show you the next step. Now you can see we have all the duplicate copies. On each page we will keep only one element, and we will delete the rest of all the elements. Make sure you don't have any text on any of the template. We will write text in Postermywall only. I am deleting all the elements one by one. In each page we will keep only one template. By template I mean only one image. So in this page I am only keeping this one line. So now on each page I am only keeping one image, and I am deleting all the other images. Now I will show you. So here you can see in each page I kept only one element, and you have to follow this. Now I am downloading all these templates. Here we will download it with the option of transparent background. We will click on this transparent background. Otherwise you can download it, but we need all of them with the transparent background. And it's done. Let's download it. Once it's done, I will upload all these elements on Postermywall, and then I will show you the next step. We will keep this window open, so we will come back to Canva and see the original design. So now I'm going to Postermywall. This is the template. First I'm changing the color. Here you can see the background. I'm changing the color. Here we will change the color. Let's say this red. And now on the plus button, we will click on the plus button. Here we will go on my uploads, and from my uploads we will upload all the download files. So after uploading all the elements on Postermywall, here you can align them. You can change the original design, or you can go with the same design. It's totally up to you. You can add some more elements, and when it's done we will add the text. And here I'm on Canva to see whether I'm doing it right or not. Then we will add the text. We will change the color of the text, and I will share the final look of our template. So now I'm adding the text. Here you can take the help of ChatGPT to create a message for your greeting card. So this is the final look. I have submitted this template to Postermywall, and they are reviewing it at the moment. In the My Stuff area you can see its status. They will show you publishing under the template. That means they are reviewing it. Once they will approve your template, it will show the black strip with 0 uses and 0 sale. That means they have approved your template. In my previous video I have shown all the steps of publishing a template. It's very easy. When you create a template, you will click on the publish this template or sell this template button, and then you will give your template a name, a title, some tags, and click on the submit button, and the team of Postermywall, they will review it. Here I'm sharing another template, and here you should keep few things in your mind before making a template. As you can see that Postermywall, it's giving me an error that this template I have to fix it. All the elements in this template are customizable except the background, so I have to create the background from scratch once again. So here you can see the status of my template. It's publishing right now, and meanwhile I was waiting. You can see someone has used my template about bridesmaid. When I recorded this video, in the beginning of the video you can see that I've made only one sale, and out of all my 13 templates, only 4 of them were used, and now this is the 5th one. And now you can see on the top left corner you are watching $0. That means I haven't paid from Postermywall yet. In January they will show how much money they will pay me after one sale and 5 uses of my templates. So the Postermywall, they have approved my template. So now I will show you how to share your template on your social media platform. I have taken the screenshot of this design, and I will copy the link of my account, and I will post it on Twitter using all the relevant hashtags, some trending hashtags and some relevant hashtags. You can also share all your templates on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest as well. So I hope you liked today's video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to know more, you can subscribe my channel as well. And if you like today's video, you can like the video as well. Thank you for watching.